Drake Beats.
Welcome. Today is going to be a video. Hopefully I can get this video done today, but today's video is going to be me revealing some stuff I ordered and trying to work on the car from what stuff I ordered. I am in the process of doing some modifications to the car. I am waiting on some stuff I ordered. Like I said in previous videos, everything is like, showing up sporadically. Like, I have things showing up like Monday, like Tuesday, Wednesday, some things showing up like next week and stuff like that. I did get one that was delivered the other day. I did a video on that one. It was my Honda, and on that video I did talk about, if you really follow, or should I say all these subscribers, if you really watch my videos, then you will know my whole issue with the Honda and everything, and how that was going with the Honda, the whole spill I was talking about with the Honda and all that. And I eventually wind up buying a Honda after all the trash I talked about on the Honda, and with that being said, I am only using the Honda until I can get what I really want. I noticed that the Honda, I will be able to run my setup without having any issues, but at the same time, I have seen on a lot of god dang it, forums and stuff like that, that people use the Honda and stuff like that. They prefer the Honda over what I use, because not what I use, what I want, because what I want technically to some is overrated. But if you're doing what I want, I think it's going to be safer. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, I don't know, but I feel like, with a standalone system, it's using its own programs. I don't know, I haven't heard anything about it crashing or anything, but like I said, it's expensive. And I just went ahead and just said I'm gonna wait, use the Honda, and then order the Honda and go from there. So enough of me talking for right now. I am running to the store to grab some stuff for me to play basketball tonight. So I'm running to the store real quick and grab some things from there, and then when I get back, I will open up the package that I had received yesterday, that I didn't get to do a video on yesterday, but I received a package yesterday. I'm going to open the package today and try to install it on my car today before I have to go to my my game. And if not, if I don't get it installed today, I definitely will pick up on this video tomorrow and get it uploaded and get it to where you guys can see what I done and stuff like that. Like I said, I have other stuff coming, so I'm going to cut it here, and hopefully I can resume when I get back from the store. Hopefully I have time. I just see, bear with me, and we'll talk to you soon. Welcome back. Not really welcome back, but I'm continuing what I was doing earlier, the video I was doing earlier on my package I got today, or yesterday. Was it yesterday? I don't freaking remember when I got my package. I don't know. I said it previously, earlier, whatever crap it was. But at the same time, this is the package right here that I got. I'm going to be opening it on camera if I can find my tool, or should I say some way to open it. think I'm just gonna, open it using my car. Or just by hand. Or sitting on the car opening it. Or doing it like this. Like this. So I'm gonna open it like this. Hopefully you can see. Thank goodness I caught it before my camera died. I don't know how much juice I have on this battery neither. But let's finish opening this package, and I'll try to get it, ready for tonight. So we can get it into the car. I'm gonna put this right here. That's a receipt. Oh crap! It still got more to open. Let's see. All right, can you see this? Hopefully you can see this. I will be doing this tonight, later on when I get back from my game. So this video will be continued later on in the nighttime. I'm gonna, just like I said, upload this video for you guys tonight. I'm going to be doing this video tonight in the dark, not really in the dark, but I'm going to have light, make sure I set up the light before I record and stuff like that. So this video will continue tonight. I just want to do a reveal on what this is. Hopefully you know. If you don't, this is a delete for the EGR delete. Hopefully it's not really explained, but you get some ideas on why I got this delete right here. Hopefully it works and stuff like that. I probably had to get some goddamn, I can't figure out what it is, some Loctite or something to keep it to where it won't come apart and stuff like that. So I'm going to cut this right here, and we'll see you guys in the next video, or not video, but the next when I install this, should I say. All right, thank you. That is what I'm planning on removing today. I got me a delete for that, and I'll show you real quick. It's my delete. So that's what we're going to be installing today.